Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Clear the room and remove furniture before you start the project today. Lay a tarp or drop cloth to protect floors and corners from moisture. Open windows for ventilation and place a fan to move air. Wear nitrile gloves, safety goggles, and a dust mask for protection throughout the process. Mix 1 part fabric softener with 1 part warm water in a 1-liter sprayer or pump bottle. Label the bottle so you do not confuse it with other liquids. Test the solution on a small hidden area of drywall first to confirm no damage. Spray the fabric softener solution evenly over a 2 to 3 foot section and allow it to soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Reapply if the surface dries before scraping. Use a plastic scraper held at a 30-degree angle to lift softened glue gently across the drywall. Work slowly and avoid metal scrapers that can gouge the paper face of drywall. Rinse with a damp sponge and wring frequently to remove residue. Allow the repaired drywall to dry for at least 2 hours after rinsing and sponge cleaning. Lightly sand remaining adhesive with 120 grit sandpaper using a sanding block for even pressure. Vacuum the sanding dust thoroughly and wipe the wall with a slightly damp microfiber cloth to remove fine particles. Let the drywall dry fully overnight or for 6 to 8 hours in warm conditions. Apply a coat of PVA or drywall primer to seal the surface before painting or installing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.